Good evening, everyone. So, Ganpati Bappa! So, before starting our performance, today I like to brief you about our song. Okay? Because many of us do not know Marathi language, and our song is in Marathi language. Our song is about Lord Vitthal. Lord Vitthal, also known as Vithoba, Pandurang, Mauli, is the avatar of Lord Vishnu and is worshipped mainly in Pandharpur, Maharashtra. The devotees of Lord Vitthal are known as Varkaris. Today, on this auspicious occasion of Ekadashi, we all have become Varkaris and we are going to Pandharpur. And as we are reaching our destination to meet Lord Vitthal, we are overwhelmed with love and happiness and devotion. So, we are expressing our emotions with our dance, of course followed by a small Ganpati song. Hope you all enjoy. Thank you.
किधर है मम्मी? मम्मी को बुलाओ।
अंबर तुझे गुण गाती, हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती. ही धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती, हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती. विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता. विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता.